MXGP Race 1 here, Matthew Basin. No, he loses the front end. He knows he's got the victory as well. For the first time this year, Jeffrey Hurlings wins the overall Grand Prix. He wins here in Italy at Maggiora. "30 minutes plus 2 laps, MXGP Race 2, about to get underway here at Os in the Netherlands. Down the inside, this is what Geiser couldn't do early on in the race, and Cairoli nails it first time. Oh, almost. He's going to cut to the inside. Are we going to see the change in the lead here? Yes, we are. He goes for the jugular, straight down the inside, no messing, and Cairoli leads on the final lap. Wow, what a race win that was for the Red Bull KTM rider. The first mistake goes to the championship leader. Tony Cairoli crosses the line for his third race win of the season. Geiser and Prado, bar to bar, late challenge this from Geiser. He goes into third place. He wants those championship points. Hurlings with a massive amount of work to make up, 27 seconds off the leader. MXGP Race 1, 30 minutes plus 2. Bar to bar, Hurlings takes over the lead though at the first time of asking. Heart rate's absolutely spiking through the roof. Oh, Hurlings has parked it. So Jeffrey Hurlings goes down. Jorge Prado's going to win. Geiser wins the Grand Prix.